We have a really
Znači od neke oblesete.
Finnish presidency see that open, active and clear commitment. Warmly welcome you all to this ministerial forum and thank you once more and especially for the host